Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you something I made. This is a ninja egg. Basically what I did is I poked holes in it here and here and drained the egg out. Then I put in chili powder, red pepper powder, just a bunch of stuff that'll burn you. And basically what you do is you throw it. I'm not gonna throw it because this is the only one I have. You just throw it. If it breaks on someone's face, it'll really burn, so do not try that at home. You can make this though. The black is just electrical tape to keep all the powder in the egg since there's 2 holes in it. And that's basically it. Just an egg filled with stuff that can burn you. And that's it. Have fun with that. Bye bye.